Hello everyone. For all of you who are joining our session today, I am Boobesh Ramadurai, Business Head of Technology Vertical at LeadInview. Joining me today is Thomas Walker, the Vice President of Global Consumer Insights at eBay. He is a widely recognized leader in the field. Thomas brings a wealth of experience. For those of you who may not be familiar, he has an impressive track record, previously worked with global giants like Microsoft, Coca Cola, leading their market research and insights team before joining eBay. One thing that I know about Thomas is he is a strong advocate for voice of the customer, getting to the heart of how people perceive brands through deep qualitative research. He believes in blending his human-centered approach with data to bring valuable insights to the business, from product development to strategic initiatives. I'm eager to learn from the experience of marrying qualitative research and data to enable organizations to make better decisions. Thank you for joining us today, Thomas.
Hi, good morning, Boobesh. Thank you for having me. It's great to be here.
Yeah. I know it's a busy schedule for you, so I'll quickly get into the weeds of how this preview is going to be. Just to start with, Thomas, I know that AI is not something new for all of us, right? We have been in this journey for a very long time. It's not only after OpenAI came up with a ChatGPT last November. I do believe that this is a secular movement of time in the industry, which will accelerate this journey. What is your thoughts on AI and how it will impact the businesses?
Yeah, it's a good question. I get asked this a lot. It's true, Boobesh, that AI is not new. It's been with us for a long time and we've been on a journey. Um, what's new is generative AI and really the compute and processing power that we have available to us now. And we can unlock much, much more of the untapped potential that lies within the AI space. It's really exciting for me and my team. We see so much potential as we think about efficiency, opportunities to drive innovation, and to have a significant impact on productivity for our employees and to deliver new and exciting experiences to customers. I think what's important though is that we don't lose sight of what business we're in, the purpose and the goals, and also what problem we're trying to solve for. I think what's important is that we don't lose sight of what the ultimate business purpose, goals, and objectives are as companies, and also what problems are we really trying to solve for people. AI is bright, it's new, it's a shiny object, and it's easy to get swept up in and get enamored with the technology and lose sight of the fact that this really is meant to serve people and to make our lives better. And so at eBay, that's what we're doing. We strive to put the customer first. And so we're building tools and capabilities with our customers and our employees front and center. And what's more is we're constantly thinking about the responsibility that comes with AI from an ethical standpoint, from a privacy standpoint, so that we make sure that we're not doing more harm than good as we leverage the advances that are now available to us.
Wow. So we already touched upon what business we are in, being customer first, using AI in the front and center, but with also with a lot of ethics and responsibility. This already sounds exciting. What other interesting things do you have in store for us in your keynote session, Thomas?
Oh, it's going to be fun. I'll tell you that it's going to be interactive. I'm really excited, and I'm just honored that you would invite me and have me to speak with such a group of esteemed professionals and colleagues. I'm going to share more of my views on innovation. I'm going to share what we're up to at eBay. I think Boobesh, you've been supporting and partnering with us for a long time. We've been around 28 years. We have so much data, and AI is not new to eBay. We were, in fact, early adopters of AI and machine learning, and it's really woven into the fabric of everything that we do to service our customers. But we're innovating at a speed, and we're moving into more personalized, magical experiences that we want to create for our customers. So I'm going to share some examples of what we're doing that's actually in market, and we're piloting new experiences with customers right now. I'm also going to talk about what we're doing from a global insights and analytics practice and how we're thinking about the future of insights and analytics at eBay and some of the early things that we're experimenting with. And then lastly, I'll share a little bit about lessons learned. As I mentioned before, there's a race that we're all on. And I think that, as I mentioned, it's a bright, new, shiny object. And what's really, really important from my perspective is that the more we as a community share and open around best practices, also what doesn't work, I think the faster we'll get there as a community to make sure that we'll not lose sight of the importance of a people first approach. And so that's what I'm going to talk about, and I'm really excited and looking forward to October 20th.
Oh, that's cool. It looks like there is a lot of personal learning encapsulated into this one. It sounds very exciting, and I'm sure that you will set the stage for a very thought-provoking day in our roundtable. And for all of you who are joining us today, Thomas will be delivering the keynote session in our upcoming roundtable event in Menlo Park in California. I appreciate you taking the time to share your wisdom with us, Thomas. Thanks.
My pleasure, Boobesh, and I look forward to seeing you and all those who participate in the roundtable on the 20th.